Have you ever wondered how to create a forecast chart in Excel? If so, I will be showing a sneak peek in this demo to create a actual versus a forecast chart using Microsoft Excel. Without a further ado, let's dig in. Here we have a simple data set for a 12-month period from January to December. We have got two series, one for actual and one for budget. Assume there's some sort of an estimate for a sales or a cost, and we have 12 months of a budget data, and we want to showcase a chart with the actuals and some sort of a forecast numbers, which we have from July to December here, and we have actuals running from January to June. So we want to show a chart which showcases the actual, the forecast, and we have and obviously the budget data. So let's commence by inserting a chart. I would highlight the region where we got the data, and we'll go to insert, and within the chart option, I would just pick up a line chart. So line chart represents a very good, it is a commonly recommended chart for a time series because we have a time series here from January to December. It's a trend. So a line chart would be a very fitting chart to showcase that sort of a metric. So I would pick up a line chart and I would basically pick a very simple line chart. Sorry, again, we missed out. I will highlight the region here and I go to the line chart and I say, click on that. So here we have a line chart showcasing two series, one for actual represented in blue and one we have for the budget. So what we want to show, however, is we want to showcase the forecast numbers explicitly in this actual series because at the moment we cannot identify in the chart series for actual what is the actual and what is the predictor or the forecast numbers. So to do that, what we need to have is we need to have a separate series for forecast on its own, and we would move any forecast numbers, in this case from M5 to R5. We will move this data against the forecast series. So here is the forecast and we have laid that out, and basically the actuals is from Jan to June and July to December is our forecast. Now, as I do that, you can see that we have a line chart against the actual and we have the forecast. So this is great, but there's just one point missing here is that it shows a discontinuous sort of series between the actual and forecast. So to overcome that, what we need to do is just a common point or where the last data point for the actual is ends, we would just use the same data point for our forecast as well. So I would just go to the L5, L6 in this case, and just reference it to L5, which is the actual data set. Once we have the same common data point, now you see as a connecting data series. So this becomes very clear that the January to June is our actuals indicated by the legend, and then we have our forecast running through from June to December. So this is what I want to showcase in a very simple way, how we can clearly show the difference between an actual and the forecast. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it.